सामान्य जनता और कार्यकर्ता का क्या हाल है। आज बहुत ही यानी प्रक्षोभ वाली स्थिति पश्चिम बंगाल में सरकार ने तैयार की है। और ममता प्रचार में भी कहती थी कि 3 दिन के बाद, चुनाव के बाद सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस वापस जाएंगे, फिर मेरे ही हाथों आप हो, हमारे ही हाथ में। इतनी खुल्लम खुल्ला जिसे बोलते हैं धमकी दी थी, उसी का वो प्रयोग कर रही है। और ये मैंने कहा जैसे कोई छुटपुट घटना नहीं है, ये एक साजिश के तहत पूरे बंगाल को, एक बीजेपी के समर्थकों को पीटने का ये कार्यक्रम बना है। What has happened in Bengal today is absolutely shocking. Our ministerial colleague Muralidharan's car was attacked. Anything could have happened. And if minister's car can be and convoy can be attacked, then who is safe in Bengal? It's a state-sponsored terrorism. It's a state-sponsored violence aimed at BJP voters. Thousands of workers had to flee the house. They have taken shelter elsewhere. They have been beaten. There are murders of more than 14 workers. 1,000 houses were burnt. So this is unprecedented violence any time post-election the country has seen. We condemn this and we demand the strict and very strong action against this worst kind of violence which has shamed the democratic norms. After victory, if they are so arrogant and if they are doing this shows that what Mamata was speaking before the election, that after 3 days of election and result, all the forces will go back. Then we will see what to do. And they are showing it what they are doing. This is nothing but state-sponsored violence. We condemn this, and there has to be special measures to tackle the situation and bring the culprit to books. This is our demand.